piston's been hitting the head and stuff once the bearings and stuff went out of it. And your bearing should have these little lock tabs and stuff on it. That's one that still has the right tab on it. And this one here, they've done spun in there and the rod and just completely cut the tabs off of it, so there's nothing to hold them.
Yeah. So the travel of the piston is about an extra 40 thousandths.
Well, once the bearing stuff spun in here and it eat it up and it eat the crank down that much, every time it went up, it lets it
Go farther.
Lets it throw the piston that much farther.
Yep, and it's hitting the heads.
And,
hitting the head, not the
in
heads.
the head.
Mm-hmm.
And some of the others look like, and once I got tore the gasket up, I can't tell for sure, is some of the other pistons has a little mark on the edge of them, so I don't know if they've decked the block enough that it was hitting the edge of the head.
Okay.
Let me show you some of the marks and stuff on there.
Keep you ready to go, right, Taylor? Because I also wanted to point out to them that they did not put hardened seats in, which is like, man, if you're going to rebuild an engine, that's one of the first things you do is you just put hardened seats in.
See the edge of this piston?
Oh my!
It makes you think something. It's been hitting something.
Yeah.
Whether it's a gasket hanging over there or
That's been hitting something.
It's been hitting something. That one has. This one that's just normal there, just from the way the cylinder is made on that one.
So they may have decked the block down.
Yeah, the blocks have been decked, so
It may be junk.
I don't know if they make a thicker head gasket for them for their deck block.
If not, the block may be junk.
It may be junk.
Oh wow, you can see it on that one too.
Yeah, you see it.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right on the edges.
Now, does that lead you to believe? Do you want to use these then? I mean,
Well, the pistons would actually be all right to take off, and if you was born another block,
What if
if you
there's
wanted to, and
What if there's a stretch crack or something inside? Maybe is that
don't
possible or
know.
no?
well,
every time you hit
that
it,
is a possibility. So,
Yeah.
safest thing would probably be if you're going that far is to put new set pistons in it too,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
and bore it and fix it
Yeah.
right. So,
Yeah.
so you don't want it.
Because it was so badly put together
Yeah.
that it beat itself up so badly that.
But you can tell where they machined the deck on the block how clear it's cut, because they usually have this is a little mark where the head gasket set. But the head's been milled, but that's not an issue because the head doesn't get any closer to the pistons even though you mill the head,
Right.
because the gasket's still between there.
Right.
But when you deck the block, if they cut 40, 50 thousandths off of that, they've cut the thickness of a head gasket off of it.
And pistons are going to be 40, 50 thousandths closer.
They're going to be coming closer, that much closer to the head. So
Yeah.
And it looks like they're hitting it. So.
yeah.
Yeah. Well.
But I went to that point. I thought I could see what you needed to know for right now. So
Yeah.
I didn't think there was no need of
No. We'll say that.
until you decide what route you want to go, or if you're going to get another block. And